Hello traders, this is a trade class. So every single day I meet people who have absolutely nothing, but are the happiest people on the planet. And I work with some of the wealthiest people on the planet, who are some of the most miserable people on the planet. Your mindset creates quality of your life. So what happens to a hedge fund manager who was worth 10 billion but loses 8 billion and he's only worth 2? Ouch. His life is over. Only 2 billion. Ouch. What happens to a cleaning lady who makes $200 a day? She wins like she won a lotto. And that's what mindset does to you. In trading, you decide. You become a cat, chasing, grabbing points, speculating, lost, chasing your own tail, or you become a lion, unstoppable, limitless trader who strategizes and takes down the best top trade. It's all in your mindset. It never ceases to amaze me. I can work with complete beginner trader who after 2 classes trading live. Why? Because of his background, because of his incredible childhood, of his incredible parents, of his incredible stability, of his incredible confidence emotionally, mentally, and financially. He becomes lion right out the gate because he was raised as one with love and care. He has confidence. He says trading is the easiest thing to do. He's been raised as lion. Not every human being is so lucky. Majority of human raised not with love, not with confidence, not with care. Raised in broken families, broken marriages, broken parents, even extremely negative events. Which means this human comes into the markets as a cat, grabbing, trying to survive. You have to recognize that. It's okay to be a cat, trying to survive as a child, trying to do so in your teens, in your 20s. But once you start reaching your 30s, you start looking at your life a lot more carefully. You start recognizing we only have little time. Every single minute, every single hour matters. How you walk, how you talk, how you drive is how you trade. Someone who speaks very, very fast, grabbing the sounds, will not drive well. Someone who speaks with confidence, cool as a cucumber, has very cool energy and potential of becoming a trading lion. And that's what you have to recognize. The power of your mindset determines quality of your life. The power of your mindset determines quality of your trading. Do not grab. Do not chase the markets. Do not throw random trades. Strategize. Prepare well. And when you're riding institutional train, you're taking the best trades. You do not need many. What you need is quality trade that you will take down as lion taking its prey, as you operate with sniper's mentality. So please, get rid of your negative past. It's in the past. It's illusion. It's gone, gone, gone. Forgive all those who caused you pain. Clean the slate, clean. Wake up with power. You are limitless human. You can be billionaire within the next 2 years if you obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. If you operate with lion's mentality. That's the core of the trading system. Quality trading. You can be a lion. Do not be a cat, please. Choice is yours. So if you're ready to become a lion, not a cat, I look forward to working with you. It's simple, black and white. You have opportunity to do so with Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, as traders do all over the world. You can do so in live classes or private mentoring. All live classes recorded and posted in member area, which you can review 24/7. 120 plus classes available in member area. If you're considering private mentoring, you have access to all group classes. But pretty please, speak with me first. If you're ready to become a lion, I look forward to working with you. You want to remain a cat? Look elsewhere. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.